everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures coming to you with another post review. This one is called Choose Joy Rainbow. This is what it looks like on the website, crystalcanvas.us. Go run over there and it is square crystals and you will not be disappointed. Here's just one of the bags of crystals that I have left. They're absolutely gorgeous, drill quality, fantastic. So what did I do? Okay, I'm gonna put in the eye up here, the unboxing of this beautiful piece. I did give it 5 stars in every category when I unboxed it. And then the star rating for post review. So the canvas glue, step 1. I gave it 4 stars instead of 5. The reason being is there were some slippery spots. There were some spots that I just had to use my roller to make sure it adhered to the glue. However, they're not falling off. They are definitely solid down. So it's going to get 4 stars only because it was slippery. And I don't know if you guys, like when you go to place it and it goes whoop, the glue just hasn't cured enough and you just got to give it a little bit of space. Symbol quality, there were only 8 different symbols. The quality was great. I could tell which each individual one was. Drill quality, fantastic. Even the 310s were well done. I could multi-place very well with them. Sometimes you'll get trash, and so when you try to multi-place, you have to go around the trash. Not so here. The design success, I absolutely love it. I gave it 5 amazing stars. I will go into some details on what changes I made so that if you purchase it, you don't go, whoa, that's not what DP Addiction J-Robs look like. I will go into, I did customize this myself. And the experience, if you were watching my videos as I was doing this, the experience was fantastic. So, I bumped this out of place. That's what I was feeling. Let me just get that back in. When I move them around from where I'm stationed, sometimes they like to have a party and then you pet your painting. Does anyone else pet their painting? So the experience was 5 stars. I did write in my logbook that I customized with ABs and other square crystals. So what did I do? Well, first off, this was this round yellow was the yellow crystal and that you see here in the O. However, I thought I'm going to put yellow ABs. I wanted a different depth of color, and then I also added some purple ABs to kind of give depth to the flower. I tried my best. I mean, this is Jennifer trying to make it as good as possible. So this is me customizing it. This is not the design. Also, I did ABs to outline the letters for the J and the Y, and then all the letters in the word choose. Look how sparkly that is. And these are crystals inside, and then they're outlined with ABs. I saw somebody actually use the clear squares crystals and do the J and the Y here. How beautiful. That was amazing. That's what I love, is you can customize these yourself. Also in the rainbow, just to add a little bit of depth, I did the AB outline for each color, and then to mimic the rainbow being on a cloud, I did frost colored square crystals along here on the bottom. So that does not come with the kit. You get 7 crystals and then the 310s, so 8 colors total. But with the ABs I have gotten over the years, I was able to customize some of them. You'll learn I switched, 666 for 666, so it was the exact match. Some of them I didn't have the exact match, but I came pretty close. Had a lot of fun with it. So that's how I customized it. When I purchased it, it was $37. Now it's $38. What I love about Crystal Canvas is she does offer free shipping no matter what. So go on over there, check out what square crystal paintings she has. She also has full round crystal paintings, and she just finished up being a sponsor for our November hashtag DP Heartitude. I'm so excited to be partnering with Amy over at crystalcanvas.us. So check her out. I love this, and thank you so much. I can't wait to dive into some more that I have on my shelf. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.